Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. CA Inter exam is going to start from 12th of September. I know at this point of time all the student is giving their best for the preparation. But I always believe that the last revision should be very much effective and you should capitalize it to score more and more marks in exam. For that purpose, you should be aware of the chapter which should be given more importance from examination point of view. For that reason, today I am with ABC analysis, which will help you to understand which chapter should be given more priority and which chapter should be given less priority from examination point of view for this particular attempt. Can we start a discussion? But before we start a discussion, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends so that your friends are also benefited with this particular video. Got this point? Let us start a discussion. So first I will come to the A category chapter. From my point of view, from this A category chapter, I am expecting more than 50 marks. Means from my point of view, it should be around 60% marks from this A category chapter only. These three chapters you should not miss. Means these three chapters you should revise initially only. First is amalgamation or internal reconstruction. Either question will come from amalgamation or question will come from internal reconstruction covering 14 marks. It can be 20 marks also. Means I am saying minimum marks will be 14 marks. Second, consolidated financial statement, one pakka, definitely one pakka question of 14 marks, correct? And then company financial statements, means balance sheet and profit and loss account. I'm expecting 14 marks question. It can be 10 plus 4. It can be only 14 marks question for the preparation of financial statement. These three chapter will be around 14 plus 14 plus 14. Around, can I say, it only become how many marks? 40 into 3 is how much? It is 42 marks. Then I have selected some accounting standard for you to do this accounting standard on prior basis. This accounting standard from my point of view, either in the form of MCQs or in the form of descriptive questions, will be covering more than 20 marks. More than 20 marks I am seeing, correct? This accounting standard should be given more importance. What are the accounting standard? AS10, AS16, AS12, AS13. I am also expecting one descriptive question of 8 marks, correct? Now AS13 only I am expecting descriptive question of 8 marks. So AS10, AS16, AS12, AS13, AS19, AS26, AS2, AS22, AS20. These are accounting standard which will be, I will say, more than 20 marks, correct? More than 20 marks. So you can see 42 marks plus 20 marks. It is around how many marks? 60 marks I am saying. So 60 marks will be from this category only. To give more prior to this chapter initially. To revise this chapter initially and at the end also revise one time more. Got this point? So once you complete A category, B category, C category, then come back at the last day once again revise this chapter. Believe me, from this chapter, if you are 100% sure about this chapter, you'll definitely, your marks will definitely become more scoring from examination point of view. Let us come to B category. B category I am expecting, one is cash flow statement. I am expecting 6 to 7 marks question from there. Cash flow statement. Branch accounting, one question will be definitely 6 to 7 marks. One question will definitely 6 to 7 marks. Buyback. Buyback is also very important chapter. Either MCQ can be asked or it can be in the form of a descriptive question. Correct now. So buyback is also important. It is also important. But can I say this chapter is 100%? I am 100% sure. Amalgamation, consolidation, and company's financial statement. This question will definitely come. This question will also come, but of less marks. Of less marks means you can see 7 plus 7 plus 7. It can be of 21 marks. And this balance I miss the accounting standard given in B category, AS9, AS5, AS4, AS29, AS7, AS11, AS20. Question may come from this and I'm expecting it can be around 5 to 8 marks from this category. Means suppose by chance, if suppose they are not asking accounting, they are not asking question from this accounting standard, then this accounting standard become more important from exam point of view. So B category is also important, of course, but from my point of view, in this attempt 50 to 60 marks will from A category and it can be 30 to 40 marks from B category. Worst situation question may come from C category. Worst situation I am saying. Worst means I am not expecting much question from this topic, but of course this is only an expectation and ICI is always known for changing the expectation only. Means we should always expect the unexpected. Correct? A balanced category of is the balance accounting standard will come in C category. For example, AS1, AS17, AS18, AS23, AS27, AS24, AS25 and AS15. Correct? AS28 I have given in what? B category. And this one chapter, framework of financial statement, pakka 4 marks question is theory question that you do, that you do also, that is in B category. So one question pakka from framework chapter also. Got this point? So if you do A plus B now, believe me, A plus B from my point of view it is 90 marks. 90 marks or more than 90 marks. So A plus B only you are doing, it is more than 90 marks. So first concentrate on A category. If you have done A category effectively, believe me, your confidence would be at highest level because 60 marks already you have covered. Then start B category, cash flow statement, branch account. Branch account, from my point of view, this time I am expecting foreign branch. If question come from foreign branch, it will be of 8 to 10 marks. So give more importance to foreign branch from my point of view. Foreign branch, then it can be either stock and debtor method or debtor method. Got this point? Buyback is also important. Accounting standard you have understood. Balance accounting standard, this AS1, AS17, do at the end. Do at the end. And case these are very small accounting standard from examination point of view. There are 4 or 5 questions given in each chapter. You can do in a very speed. Only suppose you don't have time, do on a speed basis. Keep these questions come. You are able to do in exam. Got this point? This was from examination point of view. Correct? I hope you have understood this point. One more point regarding my expected question list. I hope you have already downloaded my expected question list from my Telegram channel. If you have not yet downloaded the expected question list, do download the expected question list from my Telegram channel. Believe me, if you follow ABC category, whatever I have provided right now, and do only the question whatever is given my expected question list, you can easily score 70 to 80 marks. So what is my suggestion, that whenever you are doing any chapter in the order of ABC category, first do all the expected question whatever I have provided. Then if the time left and if you think that more question need to be done, then do the balance question. If you do only the expected question list, believe me, you can easily score more than 70 marks in advanced accounting. Got this fine? Correct. One more announcement for those students who are writing their exam in Jan 25 and onward attempt. You all know that today is Ganesh Chaturthi. I wish everyone happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and Lord Ganesha will bring all happiness in your life. Correct? So in the occasion of this Ganesh Chaturthi, I have already announced 10 days offer in my CA Inter regular batch. 10 days offer is there, to anyone who is writing their exam in Jan 25 and onward attempt can avail this offer. This offer will remain only for 10 days. Correct? To do share this information to all your friends, so that anyone who want to buy or subscribe this particular course, they can subscribe and they can get benefit of this particular subscription and offer. I wish you once again all the best for your examination. For those students who are writing in September 2024 exam, all the best for your preparation. I know that you have done all your effort. Only the last few days left. Give your best. Give your best. Capitalize it as much whatever you can. Don't feel any fear. You need to overcome all the fears at this point of time. And if you can overcome all the fears, if you can overcome all the fears and you can control your emotions, believe me, you can easily pass the inter examination. Once again, all the best for your preparation, all the best for your exam. Bye bye, love you all.